So, good afternoon po. I'm Donelyn Tiglaw from -3. So, I will discuss the parts of a computer. And then, so, start tayo sa case. Ito yung case. So, case. Ito yung tinatawag nating computer case, di ba? So, it helps to protect the components from electrical damage or physical damage para maiwasan natin masira yung sa loob niya, like motherboard, hard disk, kanon, etc. And then next is ito yung motherboard natin. So motherboard, this is the main printed circuit board within a computer and all of the other pieces of a circuit that plug into to create a cohesive whole. So, yun. And then, next is ito naman yung Intel na to. So, ibig sabihin ito yung CPU. So, yung ibig sabihin ng CPU, ito yung pinaka-brain ng computer. And, it's responsible for all data processing operation. O yun, ito yun. Then next is, yan, ito yung power supply. Ito yung ino-on natin para gumana yung computer. Yung sinasaksak natin para gumana nga. And then, next is, yan, graphic card. Yan. Graphic card is used to increase the video memory at nakakatulong to para mapaganda yung graphics. Kunyari naglalaro ka, pwedeng makatulong to para mapaganda yung graphics mo. And then next is SSD, which mean solid state drive. So solid state drive, ito yung the most common storage na ginagamit natin ngayon, di ba? Yung SSD. So, SSD are the smaller and faster than hard drive. Mas maliit siya pero mas mabilis at mas magandang gamitin. And then next is yan, RAM. So, ang ibig sabihin ng RAM, ito yung random access memory. So, is used to store information that needs to be used quickly. Kunyari, kapag naglalaro ka ng Mobile Legends, ganun. Yung, kung mataas yung RAM mo, mas mapapa-smooth yung paglalaro mo at iwas lag, ganun. And then next is, yan. Hard drive. So, hard drive, ito naman yung kabaliktaran ng RAM. It is a non-volatile, which means it can retain stored data even when no power is supplied to the device. So, ito yung mga parts ng computer. Ayan po.